What's up, everybody? Justin here from Launch Kits. Listen, the best cafe websites have three things in common, and I want to show them to you with real sites that we've built and launched. We've launched over 200 cafe and restaurant websites here at Launch Kits because our live in 5 day model means you don't have to wait and miss a whole nother week of sales or being found. You can get a smart and proven website launched. Here's a simple one of a local restaurant, like an American diner kind of restaurant. Number one, great restaurant websites have their story on their homepage. So giving them a sense of what do they have, what's it like to walk in. Here's another one, Burning Bridge Tavern. Okay, like give me uh, food with my eyes. All right, let me know where you are. What do you have going on? What makes your place unique? What am I going to walk up to? So tell me your story on your homepage. All right, make sure that I'm eating with my eyes before I even get to the ordering page. People do land on your website if they're looking for places to eat in your town. All right. The second thing that these websites all have is menus. So instead of going with these third party menu services that throw your menu on a third party platform where you don't get the benefit or keep people on your site, there's all different ways to do your menu. You can do something as simple as give us, images of your menu. We'll put them as digital clicks. Or you can do something where you actually get indexed, where you have a menu like this, okay, and you scroll down and you have all your descriptions. So getting a menu on your site is key. You can update your pricing. They have all these clever little, back to the top. And even if we go to a mobile view, check this out, okay? You go here, and when it goes back to the top, okay, it jumps back. This menu can be sticky, all right? You've got a little menu just for what you want to eat right there. So pretty slick stuff, okay? You can go to order online links as well. Again, images of your menu work, or if you've got a third-party ordering system, why not click over to it and allow people to order online? Really easy with all the different things. But don't just choose the third party. Get the one on your website as well. Okay. So your menu should be here on your website. And if you've got multiple locations, okay, like check this out, same thing. Okay. That's the advantage you get with Launch Kits is we've built these systems that work really well. So you don't have to, reinvent the wheel. That's why we keep our costs so low. So one, tell your story. Two, have your menu. Three, please have your hours and location. Most of you, have catering, so you want to have that, but tell people your hours on your website. Google will index that. Have a little schema map here on your site. You'd be amazed how many people launch a website and then they don't actually have their hours. This is pretty cool. If you have other things like you do bands, you could build out pages like that. Or if you've got private events, you want to book stuff or advertise events you've got going on, super cool to like just do a Google Calendar embed or something as crazy as, just a simple calendar feed. So make sure that you've got these like, hey, ask us, because these are questions about catering, or visit us, which is about a schema map or something in Google's going to find and index you. So if you've got a website, make sure that you've got these three things. You're telling your story. You have very clear ways to contact you, your different locations. Okay, it can look and feel like whatever your brand is. But if you want a great cafe website or a great restaurant website to launch your business, okay, make sure it tells your story. Make sure you have an integrated menu on your website so you can index for, best cheesesteak in Philly or best hamburger in Atlanta. All right. Make sure that your website's working for you. It can go live in just 5 days at Launch Kits. So don't overspend building a website, and don't just go with like Clover or Square, or don't just lean on a social platform menu. Get a .com that you own, that you control, that you can tell your story on, show your great images, even give people a look around in your store, or rather your restaurant or your deck or your patio, okay? And make it super cool for people to eat online with their eyes before they even land in your website, all right?